Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And today I am starting my ride from Mukundapur and heading towards LIG Mall. If you watched my last video, you already know I have got some unfinished work waiting there, and today the day I wrap it up. But before we ride, let's hit the road. The road here is not widest and it definitely keeps you alert. You have to keep your eyes on the road because everywhere rickshaws, bikes and pedestrians. And here we are on the Mukundapur bypass signal. It always be tough a mess, right? Auto squeezing in from every direction. Somehow there is always a bus trying to overtake, and signal really teaches you patience, and but it also the perfect spot to people watch, and there always something's going on. So now we are heading towards Ajanagar. And here we are, Ajanagar signal, and we have to wait here for few seconds. And a lot of people love to cross the road without looking at any of the side, that whether a car is or a bike is arriving or not, they don't care. They have to cross the road at any cost. Now watch, signal is on, but they have to cross the road. And you can see a lot of people loving to cross the road without the signal, or if the signal is red, then they don't care, bro. I like this stretch through the sunlight starts hitting you right around here, and the city feels a bit more open. So let's stretch a bit more and I will get back to you. Once you pass Ajanagar, the ride really opens up. The roads are straighter, lighter traffic, and you can finally feel the wind hitting your jacket or your shirt. This is where the ride gets peaceful. And you start noticing that the uncle on the bike going like he owns the lane. But hey, that's Kolkata. You don't ride through the city, you ride with it. Now we are heading towards Patoli Moor, and in my right side you can see the Patoli Jilpar, and you can see the Patoli Lakeside, where you can enjoy your evening with your loved ones. And let's go towards Patoli signal, and I think we have another signal. In just 500 meters there is a petrol pump where I can fuel up so that I can continue my journey. And here is the petrol pump. Let's fuel up. Okay, the petrol pump is empty. The passion. The petrol pump is pretty empty and I have to go. Okay, so let's go. There is, you can see the Dhalai bridge over there, and we have to go there. And I think there is a signal over there. I have to wait. Okay, so let's wait. Oh, there is a police. You can see there is no helmet. Oh boy. The policemen don't have any helmet. So let's go. We are crossing now Dhalai bridge and heading towards Kamalgachi bridge. And So, as we near LIG more, the surroundings start to change again. It's get little busier and a little more local. I have done this ride so many times, but each times it feels different. Different faces, different traffic, sometimes even a totally different mood of the road. So we are on the Kamalkachi bridge, and this bridge connects the LIG mall. I already covered this bridge so many times in my video. For that reason I am skipping this part, and see you in LIG mall. And we are here in the LIG mall. If you watched my earlier vlogs, you know why I am here today. If not, go check it out, in link is in the description. It's funny how a short ride like this can steal back in so many moments, chaos, peace, and everything in between. And thanks for riding along today. That was not a long distance ride, but like always I say, it's not about the kilometers, it's all about the connection you build with the road. If you enjoyed the ride, hit that like button and drop a comment and let me know your favorite local stretch to ride, and don't forget to subscribe for more rides and more stories coming soon.